The green line represents the perimeter of the site, outlining the area of design. As you can see, the existing supporting structures shown in black have been relocated in the proposed design. This was based on the facade exploration in part 1, and you can see how it changes. I have added in multiple new supporting columns throughout the design to support the upper levels. I did this process with the walls and identified the before and after, that is showing how the space opens up to create a unified space that lacks hierarchy. By doing so, you can now see how the layouts of both interiors and exterior walls and how they compare between the two existing and proposed design. At first instinct, the proposed becomes very bare, as the intent of the design is to portray a fluid open space that flows throughout the building, leading on to the final design. The design extends only to the ground floor. Concrete is a symbolic solid mass texture that cannot be changed once cast. Its properties, unlike timber, cannot be repurposed into furniture, yet if the building is an open space, not only to the public but also to the elements, it would surely be more durable than timber. By looking at clay, but more specifically clay tiles, they are designed with a modular system much like the golden ratio. They can be considered as a symbolic representation, part of my design, by insinuating there is no divide between the two thresholds inside and outside. In simple terms, they are one and the same, they are both open up to the public. The pavements would flow continuously throughout the building, following on from the existing pavement located outside the site. Looking into steel wire mesh, we can tell it is not a solid form but a structural material made from multiple thin steel rods weaved together. We also know it is not the strongest of materials, but it allows light to pass through, essentially creating a structure that acts as a dividing wall.